Today we are going to make homemade mushroom porcini ravioli with ricotta and spinach filling. Let's get started. For the pasta dough, we will need 60 grams of dried mushroom porcini, 3 extra large eggs, and 350 grams of 00 flour plus extra for dusting. We will start by immersing the mushrooms in hot water for 10 minutes. Drain and make sure to squeeze all the water out. Put them in a cylinder and blend till you have a nice soft paste. Crack the eggs, pinch of salt, and mix in your mushroom paste. Now we are ready to mix our dough. Work our dough for at least 10 minutes to blend all the ingredients together. Once our dough is ready, cover and let it rest for at least half an hour. While our dough rests, we will start with the filling. Half a kilo of ricotta cheese, 200 grams of blended fresh baby spinach, 150 grams of toasted breadcrumbs, 3 tablespoons of Parmigiano, and 1 egg yolk. We will mix all the ingredients together, starting with the ricotta, spinach, egg yolk, pinch of salt, pinch of nutmeg, pinch of black pepper, Parmigiano, and lastly the breadcrumbs. Mix well and then put aside into the fridge. While we prepare the pasta dough to be flattened, we will start off by sectioning into portions. and start on level 1 on our pasta-matic. Then jumping into 2 levels thinner. Don't be shy with the flour, as you will find your dough to be pretty moist and you will need that extra dusting of the flour. And finally, another 2 levels thinner. Now we make the ravioli. Place a teaspoon of the filling and leaving 2 centimeters apart from the edges, we make a row. Then lightly wet the edges and fold the top in half to make your ravioli. Press gently on the edges and then cut the ravioli in half-moon shapes with a zigzag cutting tool. There are other ways to make ravioli, but for me this is the easiest way. Leave the ravioli to rest while we go and make a simple tomato sauce and make sure that they are not on top of each other. We start boiling a large pot of water, and then I will start the sauce by frying a little bit of capsicum, one clove of minced garlic, and a small finely chopped onion. Let it fry for a couple of minutes till tender and add 400 grams of pureed tomato. Pinch of salt and cover till boil. Then I add a splash of hot water, and depending on the acidity, I add a little sugar. Cover and let it simmer on low heat. When the water is boiling, add salt and pop in around 8 ravioli at a time to boil for about 5 minutes. Always push them down so they cook evenly. And here's your final dish with a bit of sauce and a sprinkle of Parmigiano. Enjoy! In my plate, I like the extra sauce for extra delicious taste.